Victoria, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using the new Morphe Coca Cola collection. So I have the eyeshadow palette here and I also have the 4-piece lip collection. So let's get started. So this is what the palette looks like. Super cool packaging. There are 18 eyeshadow shades in here. This is what the whole palette looks like. And of course there's a nice mirror at the top. And I'll show you guys the lip collection later on in the video. I'm probably going to create some sort of red eye look today because obviously that's very suitable for this palette. I'm going to start out by using the NYX Cosmetics concealer and prime my lids with this using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to use a Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to go into the shade Bubble Up, which is this matte cream color, and I'm just going to place this all across my crease just to act as a transition shade to kind of help set some of the concealer. I'm going to add the shade The Real Thing, which is a little bit of a darker brown shade, and I'm going to use a blending brush for this and place this all across my crease and also a little bit on my outer corner, and I'm just buffing this out. And I'm going to add the shade All the Feels and place that right over top of the other shade we just used to deepen up the crease. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Good in Red, which is this deeper matte red shade, and I'm going to place this very lightly on the inner half of the crease. I'm going in with a different blending brush and just buffing that out. Just want a slight hint of color there. I don't want it to be too much. Going back in with my concealer on my flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to cut the inner half of my crease. So I'm just placing some of this on my lid and then bringing it up to my crease. And I'm going to go into this red shimmery color called Pop Culture on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to place this right over the concealer. I'm actually using my finger because I think that's working a little bit better than a brush. I'm going to go back into that red shade from earlier on a blending brush and just blend this edge. We get some more red on the lid, but also just to kind of blend in the glitter into the brown. I'm going to go back into the shade All the Feels, which is that dark matte brown, and reapplying that to the very outer corner of the eye. And then using a Morphe M456 brush, I'm going back into that same brown shade, and I'm going to place this on the lower lash line. And then using a Morphe M431 brush, I'm going into the shade Fizz, which is this really pretty shimmery color, and I'm going to place this on my inner corners. Ooh, that's really bright. Okay. Also to my brow bone. I'm going to use some black liquid liner. Today I'm using this one from Adora, and I'm going to create my wings with this. So I'm just going to draw a straight line across my lids and flick it out. And now I'm going to use a white eyeliner from NYX and just line my waterline with this. And now I'm going to use some Ardell lashes and pop these on. And then I'm going to use some Urban Decay mascara and apply this to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter. So today I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Cheers Darling. And I'm just going to place this on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. For lips today, I'm going to use this Maybelline lip liner, and this is in the shade Tora, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. So this is the 4-piece lip collection. It's super cute. It has the Coca-Cola logo on all 4 of these little mini lip glosses. So we have this really pretty shimmery color, and this is in the shade Overflow, and this is what the shade looks like. More clear gloss would be great as a topper over another shade. We have the shade Share, which is another really pretty light nude pink color. It looks like, again, it's another sheer color. You could definitely wear that on its own. This red gloss is called Classic Babe, and it's a really gorgeous red lip gloss. And this last one is called Tastemaker, and it looks like this. It's more of a brown lip gloss shade with some shimmer to it. And these 2 shades in the middle here, the pink and the red, don't have any shimmer. I'm not going to go with the red lip gloss because I feel like that would just be too much red. So I'm going to use the shade Share, which is that pink color. Just apply this right over my lip liner. And this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I really liked this collection. I love the packaging and the colors and everything. Obviously, some of the colors in the palette you wouldn't wear every day, like red. I mean, I personally wouldn't wear that every day, but I really love this little lip collection as well. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video every week. And also be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz, so be sure to go follow me on there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!